Hello and welcome to this regular expression lesson called Match All Numbers. This lesson says you've learned shortcuts for common string patterns like alphanumerics. Another common pattern is looking for just digits or numbers. The shortcut to look for digit characters, \d with a lowercase d, this is equal to the character class 0 through 9, which looks for a single character of any number between 0 and 9. Our challenge says use the shorthand character class \d to count how many digits are in movie titles written out numbers. 6 instead of 6 do not count. So our regex says, it says that our regex should use the shortcut character to match digit characters. Our regex should use global flag, should find one digit in 9. The regex should find two digits in catch 22. Okay, so we got this movie name, 2001, A Space Odyssey. We have our regex here that we're going to change to be \d, which is going to look for numbers. And then, let's see, it said count how many digits are in movie titles. So we would do global, because this is going to get the length. If we don't have global, it's just going to return the first one, but we want all of them, so that's global. If we do console log to check this result, we have 4 here, which is right. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are in here. Just to test it, if I take off the G, it should do 1, which it does. So if we want all of them, we use global. And now let's run test. And we did pass it. So the important thing to remember here is the G flag allows us to get all the numbers when we use the character class \d, which is the same as doing the character class 0 through 9. If you're getting that, you're getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.